Indoor games. Indoor games refer to games that can be played inside a house with multiple players. Some examples include ludo, carrom, puzzles, card games, chess, table tennis, and board games. Ludo. Ludo is a strategy board game for 2 to 4 players. It is played by rolling the dice. Each player moves their 4 tokens from the starting point to the finish point. Chess. Chess is one of the oldest and most popular board games. It is played by 2 opponents on a checkered board with black and white squares. Carrom. Carrom is a popular indoor game in India. It is known by various names in different languages. Carrom is commonly played by families, including both children and adults. Building block games. Building block games encourage creativity and problem solving. Players take turns stacking blocks on top of each other to form different structures. Snakes and ladders. Snakes and ladders is a simple race-based board game that is very popular among young children. The objective is to start from the bottom square and reach the top by climbing ladders while avoiding snakes that send players back down. Video games. Video games are electronic games played on a screen such as a television, computer monitor, or a built-in screen on mobile devices. Tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-toe is played on a 3 by 3 grid by 2 players who take turns placing an X or O in one of the 9 spaces. Either player can begin the game. Table tennis. Table tennis is a game where 2 players hit a small ball back and forth over a table using paddles. The goal is to make the ball bounce on the other player's side without them hitting it back.